Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a personalized cat paw keychain using our own cat's paw as a reference. Alright, let's get started! First, let's check out the color scheme of the cat's paw. Next, let me show you the materials we'll need. First off, 2 pieces of white sheepskin cut into cat paw shapes, and I've already punched the stitch holes with a diamond chisel. Then there's the black sheepskin cut into the shape of the paw pads. This here is the leather strip for the key ring. Also, we've got white wax thread, black wax thread, and cotton. You can even use some of your cat's shed fur if you want. Plus, scissors and needles. Now, let's talk about threading the needles. It's a single thread with a needle on each end. We'll start by sewing the big black paw pad. Make sure you pay attention to this stitching method: single thread, 2 needles. There we go! The big black pad in the middle is sewn on. Let's check out the front. On the back, we'll tie the 2 threads together, do 2 knots. And leave a decent length of thread. If it's too short, it might come undone, so longer is better. Next up, we're going to sew on the 4 small black pads. Stitch back and forth twice to make it extra sturdy. For the knots, do 2 again. To make it even more secure, thread the needle through the other thread, run the needle through, and that'll lock the knot tight. When you cut it, leave some length so it doesn't fray. Okay, the 4 small pads are done too. Check that out. Now we need to sew the front and back of the cat paw together using white thread. Pay attention to where you start stitching, right here. Same method as before, single thread with 2 needles. When we get to this spot, we'll sew the keyring leather strip into place. When we reach this last part, it's time to stuff in the cotton. You can also use the cat fur you collected here. It's a really nice keepsake. Fill it up good. Pack that cat paw nice and full. Finally, close it up. There we go, all sewn up. Still tie 2 knots. You can use a lighter to singe the thread ends a bit. Let's check out the finished cat paw. It's super cute. Then we can add a black key ring. You can hook it on your keys or your bag.